Let's make some mashed potatoes today. We are going to use a ricer and we are going to make the creamiest, silkiest, most delicious mashed potatoes you've ever had. Let's make this. If you haven't subbed, please sub. Turn on the notification button so that you know when I have new videos. Thank you for that. Let's make this now. I'm going to use a ricer today to make our mashed potatoes. So I'm not gonna peel them. If you don't have one of these and you're just gonna mash them, you might wanna peel your potatoes. I have some water in this pot and I scrubbed 10 potatoes. These are golden Yukon, great for mashing. I am trying to use the same size potato so that they cook evenly. So try and do that. Don't put really big ones with small ones because then they don't cook evenly. We are going to generously salt this. That potato is going to absorb that salt. It'll be beautiful. We're not going to boil these. I don't want them to boil in a roaring boil. I do want them to, I want the water to be boiling but not super hard until they're cooked through. 25 minutes, 20, 25, even 30 minutes. I don't know. We'll check them. All right. I think these potatoes are ready. I'm going to try and pierce them with a fork. If it goes through, I'm taking them out of the pot. And it is. So now I'm just going to put them on a plate and set them aside for a minute. What we're gonna do is get rid of the water and put them back into the pot and cover it. I want them to stay warm, but I also want them to dry up a little bit. The stove is turned off and we're gonna put them back, as I said, and we will cover it. Let's get our liquids ready for our potatoes. I have a cup of milk in here and I'm going to add half a cup of heavy cream. This doesn't have to be exact, guys, so don't stress. I'm gonna put a large peeled garlic clove in here, some rosemary, and a heaping tablespoon of unsalted butter. If you don't have unsalted butter, use the butter you have, don't worry. Now we're going to heat our milk and cream. Get that butter to melt in there. We're gonna just let this simmer for a few minutes, okay? We're trying to infuse that cream with the rosemary and the garlic. Call it 3 minutes, okay? Watch out that it doesn't boil over. And we're gonna strain it into a measuring cup. Let's start ricing our potatoes. Don't worry about the skin, it won't go through. This is a good workout. Simply get rid of the peel. Okay, taste it for salt. Mine do, so I'm gonna adjust. And I'm gonna start adding liquid, a half a cup at a time. I'm using my little sieve here because I have a little crust that formed there while I was fighting with my potatoes. And we're simply going to mix. Look at that, look at that. Let that potato absorb the liquid, creaminess. I might not use the whole thing. This is beautiful. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any more liquid in here. I am gonna add a little pepper. This is pretty amazing, guys. So easy, so simple, and so perfect. Guys, don't throw away this leftover cream. Keep it in case you have leftover potatoes and you want to reheat them. So then you would just add a little bit of this and reheat these at medium heat or even low heat so they don't dry up and they'll be perfect. I want you to see how creamy these are. Oh my gosh, there's no lumps in here. It's pretty fantastic. Let's taste it. Oh my gosh. There's a hint of rosemary, a hint of garlic in there. Ah. Mmm. So silky. Fantastic.